Hello guys, this is your design guy from Lomokomo channel, and today we are going to have a quick walkthrough on Framer Web. So Framer Web got released 2 days back in web. Framer is already available in Mac OS, iOS, Android platform, and now recently they have launched this app for the web. So without any further ado, let's quickly use Framer Web. So I've already created an account in Framer, so I'm going to open Framer right now. So this is the dashboard of Framer. They call it as projects, and now I quickly want to create a new file. So before that, there are some onboarding elements out here. So about prototyping, about quick application tour, and there are a few examples. I think oh cool. There are a few examples about different interaction effects, integration. That's cool. This really taps the curiosity within me to use this, explore this app. But before that, let's oh, on clicking back takes me here. Fine. So before that, let's create a new file in Framer. So I mean, let's import a file in Framer. So they are supporting Sketch, Framer, and Figma files. Okay, I'm going to, since I'm using Figma as my primary design tool, I'm going to import my Figma file. So okay, I'm going to import this file in Graft. Okay, a new file is created in Framer. I've already did the authentication of Figma of my Figma account, and here they have asked me to paste a Figma project URL. Okay, one thing that I find weird is Figma don't have a project URL; they have a file URL. So Figma consider a group of files in one place as a project. So okay, fine. I think they mean the file URL. So I'm going to copy the file URL here and paste it. Okay, here then it detects the file. Yeah, I'm going to import my page one. Oh, cool. The file import from Figma to Framer is very seamless. And here I think a vector shape is missed. So let's quickly go to Figma and check the file. Yeah, I think a shape is missed here. Oh, fine. So they're showing the shape, but the color is not there. Fine. Okay. Okay, now let's quickly prototype this file. I'm just going to quickly connect screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, and screen 4. So seems like they have some default interaction on transition. Okay. Um Oops. I think they have set the default. Okay. I think they have set the default transition type to magic motion. I just want instant. I think I prefer it to be instant because we don't know how people rename their file in different design tools. So I would suggest Framer team to have the default interaction type to be instant. So in case if I'm clicking, let this be the default interaction, and after that the naming and everything can be done. Okay, fine. But I think now that we have seen all this, like this example prototyping, it really intrigues me to explore all these features, so it's not at all bad. Let's catch up with a new video soon. Thank you.